In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signing order in DocuSign. If you send documents to multiple people, setting the right sequence ensures each signer gets the document at the right time and nothing slips through the cracks. Start by going to the DocuSign website and logging into your account. From your dashboard, click New, then choose Send an Envelope. This opens a new envelope where you'll prepare everything you need to send. Next, upload the document you want signed. You can drag and drop it in or select it from your computer. When it's uploaded, click next to Move Forward. Now add your recipients. Enter each signer's name and email address, and double check that every entry is correct. Spelling and email accuracy matter here, because any mistake can delay the signing process. By the way, I've placed the official DocuSign link at the very top of the description so you can quickly access the site to sign in or create an account. To control the sequence, enable signing order. Check the box labeled Set Signing Order. When you do, a signing order column appears next to your recipients. This is where you'll assign numbers to determine who signs first, second, third, and so on. Change the signing order by typing numbers in that column. Put 1 for the person who should sign first, 2 for the next person, 3 for the third, and continue until everyone is in the right order. Take a moment to review and adjust the numbers until the sequence matches your needs. If your document needs signatures, dates, or form fields, assign those fields now. Drag and drop the signature and other fields onto the document, and make sure each field is assigned to the correct signer. Pay attention to the recipient selector, so fields don't end up assigned to the wrong person. When everything looks good, click next to review your envelope. This is your final check. Confirm the recipients, the signing order, and the placement of all fields. It's important to get the order right before sending, because recipients receive the document one at a time based on the numbers you set, and the next signer is notified only after the previous signer completes their part. If you send it and later realize the order is wrong, you won't be able to change it directly. You'll need to correct the envelope and resend. Finally, click Send. That's it. The signing order is now set correctly, and your document will move smoothly from one signer to the next. Thanks for watching.